Hello there, Rob Hamilton from Soul Canyon Training and Development here with another Word Essentials tutorial. So this is the tutorial I promised you to create a specific keyboard shortcut to help you do strike through. That is a line that goes through those words that you want to maybe edit out of a next generation of a document, but still show it's there as an edit. It's a very common method people use to show how a document has been changed. So the only way right now without a keyboard shortcut to do that is to use this. Let's say we highlight this text right here and we want to strike it through. We can come up to the Home tab, and right up here in the font box you'll see the strike through button. So what we want to do is actually create a keyboard shortcut that's going to do that. Now we're going to do it for strike through, but any button on any ribbon, you can turn it into a keyboard shortcut key just by following these steps. So here we go. All you have to do is go up to the File tab and drop down here on the left side to Options. When you get into this box, go over to the box here that says Customize the Ribbon. Over here on buttons that you can put on the ribbon, at the lower bottom part of that list is something that says Keyboard Shortcuts Customize. So you click into that. Now, if you flip over on your workbook to the next page, you're going to see that we have this dialog box here to work with. Now, the command we want currently exists on the Home tab. Over here, the commands that are on the Home tab, if we slide down, they're alphabetized, towards the bottom of the list, we'll find the one called Strike Through. So I select Strike Through. Now I want to make Strike Through on the Home tab be the Control 5 keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to click in this box right here that says Press New Shortcut Key. I'm going to hold the Control key and press the number 5. And you'll see what's right in here. It says Control 5. Now, if I want to assign it to this, you'll see right now it says currently assigned to space paragraph 15. It's okay if we reassign it to do strike through, because I can't imagine myself using a keyboard shortcut to put 15 line spacing in a document. So I'm okay with replacing that. Sometimes you'll pull up keyboard shortcut keys and they'll show that you want to use for certain things that it's doing something really fundamental. So in that case, you want to pick a different keyboard shortcut. But I'm going to go ahead and use this to do strike through. Now all I have to do is click the Assign button in the lower left-hand corner of the dialog box there, and that will move it over to my current keys. All I have to do now is hit Close and then OK on the dialog box. And now if I want to use that keyboard shortcut to do strike through, all I have to do is hold Control 5 and it works. I think Control 5, first of all, it's consistent with Excel. It's much faster than having to navigate to the Home tab and find the strike through button. And I just think it's a great keyboard shortcut. The thing is, if you like keyboard shortcuts, and a lot of people do, you can turn those commands into keyboard shortcuts following those steps that I just showed you on these 2 pages. So give that a try. I think you'll find some utility there, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.